National Secretary of RPI Athawale, Maheshwar Thaunawjam, has vowed to transform RPI Athawale into a political party that delivers result and live up to the expectations of common people as against the emerging political culture in which money, muscle power and petty politics have become common things. Maheshwar Thaunawjam was speaking on the sidelines of welcome program for its newly inducted officials and State Secretary of RPI Athawale Manipur State Unit, political activist Sapam Kangleipal. Speaking on the sidelines, Maheshwar Thaunawjam said RPI Athawale is determined to introduce a new style of politics that gives impetus to action and delivering results. He added that RPI Athawale party will work as a regional party in the interest of people of Manipur, even though the party is an ally to NDA in the center. While urging leaders in the state to work for the sake of the indigenous people, the RPI Athawale National Secretary stressed on the need to put efforts in granting the rights of indigenous people. Maheshwar Thaunawjam further urged people to give their support in his pursuit of giving fresh direction of Manipur politics.
Proper channel la kumaina chatlaga thabak se implement tawna hona sige thabak tawgadaba haitare workers haitar miyam gi servant ama oizage haibagi miyam gi servant oin thokcharapane koidi aduna sigi posida mayamna support tawbiyu phajana akoi boldly akoi stand tawi mitai na ST chanbada akoi stand tawi kaidobagi stand tawroiduna phajana phangmam thokpa right ni se akoi phanganbiyo na akoi state government da su counter recommendation thabiyo mapan gi center gi dudi akoi RPI na su mapung phana ohenna bagi damakta akoi mapung phana taksan jage haibase akoi hana su haijagrabani ngasi su haijari yam thuna recommend tawbiyo chin kuki dagi ST lokthokpa amasung akoi gi mitai na ST phanganba haibase akoi mamang da su haijai ngasi su haijari anoba state committee na su akoi gi appointment paibidi basing su pulap punna aina represent tawraga su haijari.
On the other hand, the newly appointed State Secretary of RPI Athawale Party, Sapam Kangleipal, maintained that he joined the party with the motive to take necessary steps for safeguarding the interest of indigenous people of Manipur. While lauding the role played by Maheshwar Thaunawjam during the Manipur unrest, Kangleipal gave his assurance to play his role effectively in strengthening the party and in continuing the good work that RPI Athawale has been doing so far.
Manipur ki hojik luruba tanfam sidaida National Secretary na lobi riba thaudangsi sukematik yam chauna lorpa hojik Manipur gi leiba yam critical oiba condition sidaida aikhoi myam si yamna haina singna khong thangdragadi leiriba yellow mi myam jing sigi tunglam chatsi yamna kiningai oiba pofum amada lakpa aduna aikhoi gi khong thangbagi magi step si tangai fadana matam gi oiba phibam sidaida aikhoi su haina singna khong thangdaba yadaba Center ga haidi yetnabana language chalaba ko gi yellow mi myam sidai da koi michang khombagi tangai fadaba lakpa adugi michang khombagi tangai fadaba du hojike waina RPI Athawale National Secretary oibiriba ko honorable Maheshwar na yamna choba thodang lobiduna paikali ba thodang sing sidai da appreciate to boina RPI Athawale da joint to jobni adu waina joint to jobu tamda RPI Athawale gi national level gi leaders sing na state level gi leaders sing na maruina ko gi National Secretary na State Secretary oibida nushina pibirak pasa ai gi demukta di am laibu phamanen khanjai